Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically how you can get the secret badge on the new Valentine's Day Dress to Impress update. So you're going to go to chapter 1. Why am I at chapter 2? I'm sorry. You need to go to chapter 1. Go to chapter 1 and make sure you've completed the quest first before you do this, because I feel like it's going to be easier. So do that first. Just gonna wait for this to load, so I'm so sorry. You're just going to skip through the cutscenes as well. So as I said, I suggest you to do that first. Skip. Sorry, I wrote down the potions on the left side of my monitor, so that's why I'm kind of going back and forth. Anyways, let me just press skip on that. You are just going to walk to the potion room first and just go to the cutscene where the girl talks. Hello, there we go. And I'm just going to press skip again on that. Instead of going to do the potions, you're just going to turn on all of the 5 lanterns. There's 5, so make sure you turned on all of it to get the badge. 2 more, 4, and 5. Then you're going to walk here, go to the right, and you are going to mix some potions. So the first one, you're going to select Bottled Moonlight. You're just going to shake it up and down. Sorry it takes so long to do this. Okay, you're just going to pour it in. The second one is Enchanted Water. So you're going to select that and shake it. I will put all of the potions in the description link down, in just the description box down below. Then Vampire Blood. Then you are going to add Ashes of Tartarus, I don't know how to pronounce it. My gosh. Then you're going to add the Phantom Essence. And then lastly, you are going to add in the Unicorn Hair Potion. Once you're done, you are going to mix it all together 3 times, if I'm not mistaken. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And as you can see, you get the badge. And to go to the secret room, you're just going to go out back to the Valentine's Day quest lobby, and you'll be able to find the secret room from your badge. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take so long to load. I'm sorry. But that is pretty much it. The secret room is in the hall to the left. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna show you guys so you don't. Okay, go here. Oh, nope. Go here, and there should be a door. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Wait, is it not here? Okay, I think it's there actually. On the chapter 2, this one. Sorry, I went the wrong way. But anyways, I think it's here. Oh yeah, there we go. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.